we're gonna do some work.
Hey.
Everything need to be what?
Cab distance.
10-4.
I made it to where the front feet was.
So fellas, like I said, y'all can run my gun. Please make sure y'all ain't got no 300. Good hit. Yes. Hit. Let's go. Safety on. Is that safety on? Yes. All right.
Let's go, Jacob.
Run it. Give me the push-ups.
You're cheating a little bit, but we'll give it to you.
All right.
S, engage the S.
Push it.
Good hit. Hit. All right. Give me them 20.
1,
Good.
2, 3, 4.
Push through.
You're gonna have to control your breathing when you're shooting. Get it.
Ooh, that real Call of Duty training.
All right.
Let's go, Jacob. Take your time.
Good. Yellow.
Hit.
Reload it. Reload it.
Reload.
Work that reload.
Good shit.
Good job.
Red. Red. Good hit.
Hit.
White. Blue. Blue. Blue.
Hit.
Shit. Hit that red. Come on. Come on now. There you
Hit.
go.
Hit.
Go.
Hit.
There you go.
Hit. Good job, Jacob. How you feel, baby? How you feel?
Tired.
Tired?
I feel good.
Good job. Good shooting.
Glock on top of a rifle.
Going hot.
Go ahead.
Hot.
Get ready to go. Hey, I got a deal on mine. It's 1170. Use that tree. These two. 1170.
Let's go.
7 down. Somebody like 1,000.
Hey, let's go. Put it back on table. 10 push-ups. Up it. All right. Work that S. Work that S.
Engage.
Take it off safe.
You gotta do some work. Yep. Is that gun all safe?
Yeah.
All right.
All right.
Squat, jump.
Jump.
Go down.
Squat.
Go down.
Squat.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
There you go. How you feeling? You good? All right. Go ahead and start engaging. Let's go. Come on, he comes. Yellow. Oh. You missing your paper targets, huh? Oh.
Breathe.
Next paper.
But my rage I went out on me.
It happens.
Yeah.
Come on.
Real life.
I left.
Come on now. Here's it. Down there. Now now he's missing shots because he got failed equipment. Keep going. You got to hit something. You missing. You low left. You low left. Raise to the top of that thing. Top right.
Top right?
Yeah.
There we go. God damn. Shit, the chopper knocking targets down.
All right.
That's safe or that's fire?
That's safe.
That's safe.
All right. Y'all walk him back. Give him 15 push-ups, but every couple push-ups.
Marking the target?
Yeah.
All right.
He needs to do a hold. You have to literally go boom, boom, every time it crosses it.
Just kept on. Remember the drill?
Watch yourself.
Work the S. Work the S. Make sure you working that safety, coach. Yep.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go. Engage. Yep. Red.
Hit him.
Red. Red. Red.
Come on now.
There we go.
Blue. Blue.
There we go.
You out? Work it, work it.
Come on.
Work it. Keep that gun up. Keep that gun up.
Look, look, we got faulty gear. Let's go.
Ah, slap it. Slap it.
Slap that mag in there.
Slap the side. Slap the.
Slide release.
You in there all the way?
Yeah.
There you go.
I think you got too many in the mag. Yeah, I think so too.
Hit. Hit.
All right,
Way to
engage
finish
this white
strong.
target with your pistol. Hey, go over there. Whew. I don't even remember what the other one is.
Right up.
Sharp design, baby.
Oh yeah.
Not yet. Hold it. Down. Keep going, keep going.
Warrior class.
Hey, hard to kill, baby. Shout out to Carl. Hold it. Down. Hold. All right, you good? Hey, we just trying to build warriors, trying to get some discipline up here, trying to break that whole mindset of shooting on a static range, you know what I mean? Everybody gets so used to bing inside. Actually ain't no bing, it's just bang and hitting paper, you know what I mean? Out here, You got to work through some elements, man. It's
Warrior class.
hot. Exactly. Hey,
Let me see something right quick. Shout out to NOLA Ops Security. Oh yeah, the ops at the building. You did?
Hey, you expecting anybody else?
I ain't never saw this on none of your fucking videos.
Care.
You saved this shit, huh?
Who that is? It's a white truck coming.
Always on yellow.
Hitting all that close shit.
Shooter ready?
Threat! Threat!
This out there, up there on the board. All my fault. Huh?
Run up on it. Run up on it.
Get up on him.
Walk him down.
Walk him down.
One more.
Got one more try. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's get these push-ups. Watch your step. Watch your step. Let's get it.
Leave it. Yeah. Or just carry it.
Let's get it.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Let's go, CJ. Good job, brother. Good job. Engage, engage. Come on, engage. Mag change, mag change.
Uh-oh.
Keep that fire up. Oh no, not in the bag. Gotta have the right gear. Gotta have the right gear. Come on, engage, engage, engage.
No? Did you hit all yours? You did all your
You did the
shots?
whole F? I don't think you did. I don't think you did. Come on, let's go.
The enemy ain't gonna wait on you, bruh. All right,
Run it.
squat up.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Engage, engage. Paper, 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 paper.
Keep going. Go to
Yellow.
your
Far red.
Red.
There you go.
You get 4 attempts
Far
on
red.
red.
Far red.
4 attempts. 1, 2, 3.
One more. Go. Paper, paper.
Good hit.
Blue. 1.
Low.
Up. 3. Paper. Red. Red.
Come on.
Get it. Low right.
Good shit.
All right, good hit.
Blue.
He in the bushes. He in the bushes.
Come on.
He's shooting at us. He's shooting at us. He in the bushes. That's
Low
green.
right.
Get him.
Bring it up.
Ah! Yellow, 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 yellow.
Get into that shit. Get aggressive. There you go. That's 2.
That's 3.
Take him out.
Let's go. Next.
Low left.
I think I'm out.
Ah!
Throw that rifle
Where your
at him.
pistol? Huh? Ah, get him. He's shooting.
Go
He's
get
shooting.
in there. No. Take your ass in there.
Get in there. Go get him. Go
Get
get
him.
him. Go get him. Right
Give
there,
me
right
2
there, right
hits.
there.
2 hits.
Drop a low.
Come on, see.
Lead into it. Somebody's counting on you. Bring it up. All right.
Holster,
go.
holster.
Let's go get that work.
Woo! Yeah, it's working. Come on, you working. You working. Let's go. You working, baby.
Take your time. Have him walk up on it if that's the case.
Walk him down.
Walk him down. Walk him down. Walk him down.
You high right.
You gotta find that blue.
right?
Get that green.
Walk him down.
You can't really see that bitch because of that grass.
Put the thing on face.
Gonna be in camouflage.
Right, they're gonna blend in.
Give him 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Engage.
Take that safety out.
There we go. Come on. 1, 2,
Oh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
Engage.
11,
Oh.
12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Let's get it.
Paper. Yellow. Red.
All right.
Okay,
Get
work
that
it.
gun up. Get that gun up. Get that gun up.
Keep it up. Keep it up.
Charge it.
You get 2 more tries.
There we go. There we go. We knocking targets down.
High.
Come down.
Come on now. You got 2 more tries. Move to
Get
the
him
next.
out of there.
Hey.
All right. All right. All right.
Weapon safe. Grab your magazine. Grab your mag. Good shooting, brother.